Hello and welcome to another update video about ETH. Yeah, this textbook bearish setup that I highlighted already a couple of days ago, it has worked out really well. Really good to see. Remember, that was first of all a combination of a 1-2 setup here in the yellow wave count, zoomed out between the 29th of August. The low was on the 11th of September, and then the setup was here, the resistance area. Where the price reached actually this key resistance level at 1664. And if we then zoom in, the actual textbook setup was then the additional 1-2 setup, because you had confirmations on multiple degrees that the downtrend is going to play out. Again, confirmation is never certainty. That's why we manage risk. But we had 5 waves down here into the 11th of September low, 3 waves up, and then another 1-2 setup. And yeah, that's exactly what we wanted. Okay, and I mentioned that to you back here, and it would have generated a nice profitable trade. Never still, even if you have confirmations on multiple degrees, it's always worth managing risk. Yeah, it's actually important. It's a must. Okay, so that all played out. Previous video we were down here. I highlighted to you that this could be another 1-2 setup. Yeah. There's a potential maybe that the wave 2 will reset a little higher, but in both scenarios, obviously still lower expected against the level of 1657. I can take that resistance level out because it broke through already more directly. Yeah, and there is now a question, okay, how do we label this? I mean, I still have it as a 1-2 setup here. Wave 1 as a leading diagonal. Wave 2 was very short, a bit too short to be reliable. Still, I leave it like that at the moment, but maybe I will change it, but then it would be a 1-2. What was it? Would it be 1-2? 1-2, 1-2. I would have 3 1-2 setups. I'm not too happy about that. So I leave it like that for now. Anyway, it works at the moment. We are basically then in this third wave to the downside here. And within this third wave, we're expecting 5 waves. So we have another small 1-2 setup here. And the third wave down reached target. I communicated that target earlier today on Discord and Telegram to channel members. Target was the minimum target, the 1.6. Oh, wow, it reached it. Okay. So the target was 1575. Let me actually double check on Discord. What did I say? ETH. I can't find it now. Anyway. Oh, there it is. Okay. Yeah, target 1577. Okay. Reached it. So now, wave 4 to the upside is probably unfolding. It's very weak, so I can give you resistance. And then one more low would be expected to form this third wave. Yeah, and then it should play out like that, right? So that this is, I'm happy at the moment because we start to see some impulses. I mean, at least a little bit of movement, right? Anything, just not this sideways movement. I mean, we're going to get back into sideways action soon enough, right? You know that, because these days where we see a little bit of movement, they are quite exciting, but cryptos typically finish this off most recently, actually, within a few days. And then we see, again, weeks and weeks and weeks of sideways action. Anyway, so this could be now a small wave 4. Resistance for the wave 4 is up to the 50% retracement level. So we talk about the area between, I just want to add the 23.6 fib level. We're watching the area between 1583. It already reached it, so that's the minimum expectation achieved. Then the 38.2 retracement is the ideal target, 1591. I would normally expect it to get there at least. Well, ideally, not at least, ideally. And then 1597 is sort of the maximum it should do. A break above 1597 would be a very early signal that things could turn around, but very early signal. But ideally it stays below 1597 and does only get all the way up to 1591. Minimum expectations already achieved because it basically touched here 1583 already, which is the 23.6 fib retracement, and then one more low in a wave 5 could finish off this larger degree third wave. Then there should be a fourth and a fifth. Yeah, and this is how it should unfold. And that would likely only be a third wave, but that should escalate further lower. So maybe we do have a 1-2, 1-2, 1-2 setup. I need to look this up, because then we would get another 4 and another 5. That could finish off this third wave, maybe around about 1450. And yeah, we should be on our way down. At least that's the forecast anyway, right? That's anyway the primary scenario. So we'll see how it plays out. It can still surprise to the upside, but as long as we stay below these key levels that I mentioned, there's no reason really to focus on that. Okay, that's my update about ETH. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. You can find the links in the video description. There's additional content there every single day. Plus, if you're interested in the membership, check out the links in the description. You can get access to the weekly live stream. On Sunday, we do the next one. You get access to Discord and Telegram, our chat rooms, all sorts of educational content. Plus, as a gold member, you get access to additional signals and market updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.